IH workers that being IH sector. And the great news is they just opened the Tim Hortons. Donuts here.
So lot of varieties of donuts, cookies as well.
So you want to try coffee here, man?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah? We're going to try only one,
Yeah.
right? We'll take a look if they're going to match the taste in Canada as well. We're going to taste it today, right?
Let's compare the taste with Canadian taste.
Yeah, like that.
Let's try the maple cream. The maple cream one.
So when you guys open this branch, so it's going to be a 4 days they just opened this branch. Okay. This is their kitchen. So they are working pretty hard, guys. Look at that, how many people. They are learning as well right now because they just opened like 4 days ago, right? So double.
Double?
Yeah, so we're gonna match the taste with the home taste, right?
The home Canadian taste?
We'll see if it's gonna give us the same taste or not. So I'm gonna try the donut first. Oh wow, yeah.
Oh, it's so fresh.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
So the Canadian cream is a little bit creamy, right? It's a milky type.
Our home
But
taste? Yeah.
This one shows kind of a transparent, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna taste it. We're gonna taste it.
It's good?
No, not the same taste.
Not the same taste? What's the difference?
Let's try coffee.
The double?
It's a double. Yeah, this one is good.
Okay.
Coffee has the same taste. I can feel this is not intense.
Not intense?
Yeah, a little bit less intense, I'll say. But it's the same kind of smell, same kind of taste, right? So it's good. So, 9 out of 10.
9 out?
Coffee. But let me bite this one first, then I'm gonna give it some number, right? 5 out of 10 for the donut.
How much?
5 out of 10.
Why 5 out of 10?
Not the same.
It's not the same taste?
Soft, the same soft donut. We use vegan, right?
Okay.
So, yeah, it's good. Whenever you have, it's a great idea. So, anyways, thank you very much for watching. You guys please subscribe, share, more videos, and thumbs up as well to see you next vlog. Thank you guys. Bye.
Thanks for watching.